In Technology Outlook 2020, we present technologies that will be pertinent to healthcare in 2020. Many technologies may have been around for some years, but have had little impact to date, while others may progress more rapidly from development or discovery to impacting on patient care. Let's look at some examples of uptakes related to the healthcare sector and how it may look in 2020. Implementation of information technology is a major challenge for the healthcare sector towards 2020. Internationally recognized interoperability standards emerge, which in turn promote the adoption of integrated electronic health records. Traceability systems document activities along the patient pathway. Decision support software will assist clinicians in adhering to best practices as the volume of available information escalates. Healthcare providers catch up with the implementation of Internet solutions and are actively involved in social networking and support groups, which play a prominent role in healthcare. Virtual hospital environments with patients and professional avatars are used to improve clinical skills and teamwork. New advances in web technology provide powerful tools for online information retrieval. Internet technology enables patients to access their own healthcare information and to contribute to their own health records. Advances in technology move healthcare delivery settings away from high-cost hospitals and into alternative low-cost settings. In developed countries, telemedicine enables patients to receive healthcare at home, while in developing countries, telemedicine is used to overcome barriers to healthcare delivery such as scarce healthcare resources and long geographical distances. Small wireless biomedical sensors and ultra-wideband radar technology enable monitoring of patients in non-medical settings through wireless networks. Smartphone applications provide new ways for patients to communicate with their own healthcare providers. Point of care refers to medical testing near the site of patient care, providing rapid test results, enabling immediate clinical management decisions to be made. So-called lab-on-a-chip technologies improve healthcare accessibility and delivery through a shortening of the timeline between testing and the availability of results, thus enabling early diagnosis and a reduction in healthcare cost. Ultrasound technology becomes portable and disseminates to most fields of clinical practice. A micronuclear magnetic resonance device enables portable and improved identification of malignant cells, facilitating early initiation and monitoring of cancer treatment. Portable identification of nucleic acids enables rapid and accurate identification of pathogens of infectious diseases at the point of care. DNA sequencing of the patient's genome facilitates the switch from one-size-fits-all to tailor-made management of disease. Powerful and economical genome sequencing technology supports diagnosis of disease, and for some diseases will be able to differentiate between different forms, where today they are only recognized as one. Pharmacogenomics will use genetic information from patients to develop rational approaches to optimize drug therapy to ensure maximum efficacy, while limiting adverse effects. Patients will use comparative genomics to develop diagnoses based at the molecular level. Genotypic information will guide the selection of the most effective therapy regime and will help with the development of new drugs directed at novel targets. Medical imaging moves upstream from the traditional visualization of the anatomical consequences of disease to visualization of the disease processes themselves. New contrast agents add molecular information to anatomical images provided by magnetic resonance imaging. The real-time combination of positron emission tomography technology and MRI provides detailed visualization of physiological processes with an anatomical reference, facilitating early detection of disease and effective monitoring of treatment. Research and innovation ensure continuous medical advances which will improve treatment and management of disease. Therapeutic vaccines and nanomedicine are used in the treatment of some cancers. Robotic-assisted surgery improves surgical techniques, enabling microscopical precision. With the aid of high-intensity ultrasound, some surgical procedures are performed without cutting into the skin. But the news is not all good. The increasing frequency of infections caused by multi-drug resistant bacteria, together with the decline in research and development of new antibiotics, is creating a chasm between requirement and availability that threatens to make some of medicine's most potent tools redundant.